1190 X-ray, I've got your requested route in Lee Valley down to the Isle of Dogs and then H4 to Vauxhall Bridge and reciprocal, is that correct?
Affirm, that's correct.
November 1190 X-ray, you're cleared to do so, not above 2,000 feet VFR.
Cleared in on requested route, not above 2,000 feet VFR, 1190. So White Hart Lane is coming up on the left-hand side.
Squawking ident, QNH 1020 and currently 900 feet.
Call Papa Sierra, Roger, identified, looking for direct to Weybridge from there.
Negative, join H3 at Thorpe, Golf Papa Sierra.
We're trying to kill a Papa Sierra, Roger, that's approved, not above 1,200 feet to Thorpe and then standard altitude H3, going to limit of Barnes, VFR.
This is Lee Valley.
Not above 1,000.
Yeah, so we're just heading down the Lee Valley now towards the old Olympic Park.
H3.
The 2012 Olympic Stadium will be on the right-hand side.
Papa Sierra, traffic EC 130. Now it's currently at 1,000 feet.
Looking Golf Papa Sierra. Visual Golf Papa Sierra. Thank you so much.
Whisper 41, radar control. Control. 1190 X-ray, radar control.
Radar control, 1190 X-ray.
Whisper 41, traffic EC45 helicopter, mile to the north of Vauxhall Bridge at 900 feet, orbiting.
Copy, thank you, 4.
Please 251 traffic's a twin squirrel helicopter just entering the London zone from the north towards Brent, 1,300 feet now towards Waterloo.
So we've got the old Olympic Park under us now. When we come back, everything you don't see obviously will be on the other side, so you'll get a chance to see everything. City Airport and the Excel Centre off to the left.
Sierra X-ray as you turn westbound along the river as an EC45 helicopter half a mile to the north of Vauxhall Bridge at 1,000 feet.
Yeah, visual both the helicopters on the river, and I've also got one TCAT.
Roger, police 251, further traffic, Augusta 119, just at the Isle of Dogs, shortly turning westbound along the river, currently at 1,500 feet.
Greenwich Park is just on the left now, we're about to go over a cruise ship of some description. And we're going to follow the river
EC45 and the single squirrel boat just north of Vauxhall Bridge, 1,300 feet and 900 feet. Roger. Police 251, that's twin squirrel helicopter just to the, just by Brent.
The tide is in, hence the river is so brown.
Waterloo Bridge, 1,400 feet.
Police 251.
1190 X-ray, further traffic, twin squirrel just at Brent, routing towards Waterloo Bridge.
Copy.
Golf Papa Sierra, clearance limit of Brent.
Lane, 1 o'clock tomorrow.
I say again, Golf Papa Sierra.
Golf Papa Sierra, correction, clearance limit of Barnes.
Clearance
As we
limit of
come around this
Golf
next
Papa
bend, we'll have Tower Bridge and the Tower of London in front of us.
Fine.
Somebody's rather expensive super yacht is sitting in the middle of the river.
Heathrow, hello again. Golf Bravo, Yankee Bravo, India with ident.
Golf Bravo, Yankee Bravo, India, Heathrow, hello, QNH is
We have the Shard on the left,
report
we have the Gherkin and Tower 42 on the right, HMS Belfast in the river.
200-1020, Golf Bravo, India.
Golf Bravo, India, thank you, you're identified as a basic service. You're looking for Isle of Dogs, Limehouse, cut to London Eye reciprocal, is that correct?
Confirm.
Roger, keep tracking towards the zone.
St Paul's will appear on the right hand side in a minute. As we just go past the Shard on the left.
Doing it, Shard.
Mr. 41, thank you. You're visual with the Augusta 119. Sorry, was that yes? Thank you, November 9 Sierra X-ray, visual with the twin scroll.
Negative, got the police on site.
It's about in your right 11 o'clock, correction, right 1 o'clock at the moment, 1800 feet towards Waterloo Bridge.
Yeah, visual now, but I'm about to lose it as I just turn south.
Roger, and report turning.
Okay. So we have the London Eye and a police helicopter on the left.
Oh wow.
We've got Westminster
Sierra, your clearance limit is
Buck
cancelled
Palace
now. You are
and the
cleared
Mail on the right.
H3. How long ago on H4 are you looking?
Oh yeah, look.
H3, H4 through to London Bridge if possible.
Amazing.
Golf Papa Sierra, that's approved. Standard altitude VFR.
Standard altitude VFR, through to London Bridge, Golf Papa Sierra.
So we're going to turn here, so it's quite a steep turn just coming up to you now.
Right.
Whisper 41, you cleared your requested route in. Report when you need to turn back out. Please 251, you visual with the twin squirrel.
Hey, sir, please 251.
Roger, it's the route in between Vauxhall Bridge and Tower Bridge.
119 Sierra X-ray has made the turn and visual twin squirrel.
Number 90 XO, roger.
We've got two helicopters on the right, we've got Buck Palace on the left.
Very busy in the city zone at the moment, just remain outside, I'll clear you in shortly.
Golf Bravo, India.
Area view.
Less than 1 mile.
All in the Vauxhall Bridge vicinity.
Copy traffic and we'll keep a good lookout for Papa Sierra.
Bravo Yankee Bravo India, you are cleared into the city zone, not above 2,000 feet VFR. Hold north of the Olympic Park initially, I'll clear you down further shortly.
Clear down above 2,000 feet VFR, hold north Olympic Park, Golf Bravo India.
Number 9 Sierra X-ray, Bell 206 helicopter just joining Lee Valley from the north, 1,400 feet, holding north of the Olympic Park initially.
I've been looking 119 Sierra X-ray.
Golf Bravo India, your first bit of traffic was the 119 just at London Bridge, eastbound along the river to the route opposite direction, out via the Lee Valley.
Cover the traffic, Golf Bravo India.
Anywhere 27 Heathrow, pass your message, QNH 1020.
Anywhere 27, the lift please, square 182, East Bank, Royal London.
Anywhere 27, sorry, where are you routing to?
Back to the Royal London, Elephant Heathrow.
Element 27, roger. Lift your discretion. You cleared direct, not above 2,000 feet VFR.
Clear direct, not above 2,000 VFR, Element 27.
Golf Papa Sierra, report vision with the EC45, half a mile north of Vauxhall Bridge, 800 feet.
Visual, Golf Papa Sierra.
Police 251, single squirrel helicopter just approaching Battersea, eastbound along the river, 1,000 feet. Report visual.
Wilco, Police 251.
November 90 X-ray from the Isle of Dogs, you are cleared, not above 2,000 feet to leave via the Lee Valley.
From Isle of Dogs, clear to leave Lee Valley, not above 2,000 feet, 190.
Golf Bravo India, clearance limit is cancelled. You're now cleared your requested routing, line mounts put to London Line reciprocal, not above 2,000 feet.
Cleared now above 2,000 feet VFR line reciprocal, London Line reciprocal, Golf Bravo India.
Golf Bravo India, that Augusta 119, just at the Isle of Dogs now, opposite direction.
Cover the traffic looking.
November 90 X-ray, Bell 206, about a mile and a half to North Olympic Park, 1,400 feet, opposite direction.
Yeah, traffic on ticket.
Police 251, single squirrel just approaching Chelsea Bridge.
Police 251. Police 251 visual.
Police 251, thanks. Papa Sierra, about a mile and a half to the east of the policeman, there's a twin squirrel helicopter routing east and west on the river, currently at 1,300 feet, just to the west of London Bridge.
Copied and visual, Golf Papa Sierra.
November 90 X-ray, visual with the Bell 206, Olympic Park, 1,300 feet. Thank you, Golf Bravo India, are you visual, Augusta 119?
Negative.
Roger, just south of you, 2 miles, 1,600 feet, opposite direction.
Right?
Element 27, Squawk Adam, and the QNH 1020.
Ident 1020, Element 27.
Element 27, you identified, it's radar control service in half a mile, and you cleared direct.
Radar control, clear direct, Element 27. Another helicopter about to go down the left hand side.
Lots of traffic around Twin Squirrel, currently just to the east of London Bridge at 1,500 feet, and then you got further traffic. Single Squirrel just making the turn in the river eastbound towards London Bridge.
Element 27, roger, visual both, thank you.
Roger.
And Golf Papa Sierra visual with the quality past.
Thank you. A Whisper 41, Explorer helicopter just entering the zone just north of Crystal Palace, routing towards Royal London Hospital at 1,000 feet currently.
Copy, thanks, Whisper 4.
Golf Papa Sierra, do you copy that traffic?
Negative, sir, again.
Golf Papa Sierra, Explorer helicopter about 2 miles to the north of Crystal Palace, 1,000 feet, routing direct to Royal London Hospital.